Active recall stands out as a fundamental technique for effective learning, necessitating active engagement with information rather than merely passively absorbing it. This approach fortifies neural connections in the brain. Transitioning to another effective strategy, the Feynman technique, developed by Richard Feynman, highlights the importance of explaining concepts in straightforward terms to enhance understanding. This method proves especially beneficial for mastering intricate topics. In contrast, cramming emerges as an ineffective study strategy, primarily resulting in short-term retention rather than enduring knowledge. Therefore, adopting a structured approach to learning becomes essential for genuine mastery. Moreover, the spacing effect reinforces the idea that distributing study sessions over time leads to improved retention and comprehension of information. This technique can be likened to nurturing a plant gradually, allowing it to thrive. Continuing with effective strategies, interleaving involves incorporating a mix of subjects or skills during study sessions, enriching the learning experience through varied practice. Although this might seem counterintuitive, it significantly enhances mastery. Leonardo da Vinci exemplifies the mastery of multiple disciplines, focusing deeply on subjects while minimizing distractions. This deep work is crucial for realizing substantial learning outcomes in today's educational landscape. Equally important is the elimination of distractions to foster deep work. This entails silencing phones, closing unnecessary browser tabs, and communicating with others not to interrupt your focus. Quality sleep plays a pivotal role in optimal brain function, enhancing memory consolidation and overall cognitive performance. Striving for 7 to 8 hours of restful sleep each night is essential for maintaining mental sharpness. In addition to sleep, regular exercise significantly boosts brain power. Even moderate activities, such as walking, can enhance blood flow to the brain, subsequently improving cognitive functions. Furthermore, the concept of neurotrophic factors, particularly BDNF, illustrates the connection between brain health and learning. This protein is crucial for promoting the survival and development of neurons. Carol Dweck's research sheds light on the importance of distinguishing between growth and fixed mindsets. Individuals with a growth mindset are more likely to achieve success in their learning endeavors compared to those with a fixed outlook. To illustrate this, real-life examples, such as astronauts confronting various challenges, reveal how mindset influences problem-solving abilities. Embracing a growth mindset encourages individuals to view difficulties as valuable opportunities for learning.